There are two ways you can ship semen from WISE Option. Of course, that the first thing you've got to do is to go and make your shipping requests entered into WISE Option. As soon as you have your shipping request, the next step is going to be starting entering the collections. So after collecting the stud, you go to the collection, and this is the place we are going to do our first shipping registry. You highlight the collection that you have entered, and you go to the bottom for management, and we are going to do a shipping. When you click on the shipment log, it is going to show you all the available shipping requests for that stallion. You pick the one that you're going to process, go to the bottom and click on the shipping button. Complete the information. So we're going to say that this was 8/22. Enter the information, extender, antibiotics, and Aquitaine number as desired. Hit save, which gives you the option to print the report. I will not print for this case. And this way, WISE Option is going to register the shipping for that request. The next option we're going to watch in the next video, it's about the shipping board, but we're going to do the entire process in another video. So today you've learned how to complete a shipping from the collection management in the Stallion management in WISE Option. Thanks for watching.